Hey girl, this is our Ratchet Girl Anthem retake.
Pose.
This Jazz and I'm Court. Pow. Pow.
Pose.
Step. Let's do all asking all the questions. He said, well, who you been well? With who? For real. Oh, really? That's how you feel? And the guy be like, that's not a question. And that's not a question. Why you asking not a question? Make a statement. Also, that's not a question. That's not a question. Why you asking not a question? Make a statement. Assume. Where you been? How much did you spend?
What?
Yeah, I trust you. Now I lock your
What?
Who is this? See, why you playing me? That's the same reason why you ain't staying with me. You trying to get up in the jar, you ain't laying with me, and I ain't even trying to hear what you saying with me. So grab your stuff, hit the door,
What?
go chill with them other girls.
In the motel.
That is what her weave. Yes, talking about some beach curl, please. She ratchet.
What?
That's why I'm pregnant. And you the pappy and looking stupid. That's what you get.
What?
Walking around here
In the
lying,
hills.
thinking that you slick, but you dumb. You stupid? Oh, don't you talk when I'm talking. You better mute it. Now unlock your phone. Let me see them pictures.
Hold on.
I'ma check your Facebook. Then I'ma check your Twitter, and I better tell me where.
What?
Where who? He went where? Where who? For real. Oh, really? That's how you feel? And the guy be like, that's not a question. That's not a question. Why you asking not a question? Make a statement. Assume? That's not a question. That's not a question. Why you asking not a question? Make a statement. Assume.
Whatever.
What you going?
Girl, why you buzz?
What?
Oh, who that girl? Nicole by my cousin.
Nicole.
You wanna know the truth?
Yes.
Or how I feel?
Yes.
Stop tweet. What? So I always read.
I favored it.
Girl, ain't nobody lying to you.
Lies.
I ain't got no secrets. I ain't hiding but you.
Secret inbox.
But you still wanna check my tone.
Yes.
My retweets.
Yes.
Find out who I'm talking to and who I'm trying to be.
I followed you.
What you say you pregnant?
Yes.
It ain't mine.
Uh-huh.
Girl, I wrapped it up. I know you lying. What you think on?
Yes.
You think I'm stupid?
His name Lil Dad.
You think I love you?
Yes.
I look like you?
Yes.
Hold on. Let me check your Facebook.
What?
Let me check your Facebook. What's the password to your Twitter? You wanna DM? You trying to see him at 7 p.m. this weekend so he can
On a
spit all
Saturday.
on you. You ain't slick. You ain't slick.
Whatever, nigga. What you gonna do?
You just mad because you got caught.
Pose.
You dirty. With your dirty ass. You dirty. And the guy like, get out of my face, man. Get out of my face. Get out of my face, man. You better get out of my face.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Mister.
Oh, girl. What? Oh, baby boy.
And it came with a sister.
Girl,
Yes. I'm pregnant and I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoes. Where's up? Had to get cute today. I'm about to be for a boost today. I had to be good my better. Yeah, baby. He'll throw he'll shoot today. New baby. Got new shoes today. That's about it. Yesterday. Got my trash yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today? Bah. What glue?
girl.
You left the glue at the hairstyle? What is the glue? Got my glue yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today?
What?
Don't beep it up. Move. Get out my, it's a 15. I got my full stem. I got a brand new piercing. Brand new tech.
Right here.
$95 for the weed plus check. Bow. Any day go when I snap my thumb. No long had it came along. Thinking that you better than I am. Girl, you think wrong. You a lie. My number. Goodbye. Hey girl, turn around.
Money, let me see what did your braid.
That's all wrong.
Beads,
Big.
I'm sorry.
Okay, girl.
Let's talk to you later.
What did she have on? She Ratchet. Her lace front was all wrong.
Oh, she Ratchet. Give me the phone. I'm finna take this helpful picture.
Ooh, she rapping.
I got it. I'm finna put this girl on Twitter.
You know you good. What if flip
I ain't got
time for this?
I'm too grown.
Oh, she ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them boots on.
Oh, she ratchet. Oh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Ratchet.
I can't stir her.
Oh, she too fast.
Girl, let me tell you.
All right.
My name is Email Weather, but my girlfriends call me Carly.
That right.
3 before 11. Pre-game, then we party.
Okay.
Yes, we is the baddest. You can have this boo-boo
Sorry.
sorry. Cause 2 Chainz in my future, baby daddy. Mari, got my jersey dress off. Jordan Hills match my press off. I'm with Team Dorsey.
We don't like
We
them
don't like
red
them red
bones.
bones. I'm with Team Flip Phone.
That right.
Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Bad Shit.
That's right.
Team with Jack Man.
If she got a lot of money,
then it's Team He Can.
What you saying?
I mean, you might well spit it on me.
Tissue
You
over there
sit over there
looking
looking all ratchet.
Whatever.
Ho,
You mad?
ho, pow, pow, oh, and pow. What do she got? She ratchet. Her lace front was all wrong.
Oh, she ratchet. Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this picture.
He the daddy.
Got it.
I'm
I'm gonna put this girl on
Twitter.
Twitter. You know he ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too Chainz,
And my baby needs some milk.
All right,
Girls
sis,
go
get your
around.
shoes
One
on.
girl check is nothing.
Oh, I just want to punch her in her face.
I can't stand her.
I can't stand
Oh,
her.
she too
Oh,
fat.
he wet light up.
Oh, he mad.
No,
Skechers.
girl.
Team Skechers, baby.
Skechers, bow,
Shaquille
bow.
O'Neal.
With the feet,
Bow.
bro.
Oh, you
With
mad.
the feet, bro.
She wanna fight. She wanna fight.
Girl, she got
Let
the
her
fever
go.
press.
She wanna fight.
Yeah,
She
she
wanna
wanna
fight.
fight. I tell her,
Hold on.
bang,
Hold
bang,
on.
bang,
Hold
bang.
on. Hold on.
She wanna fight.
Hold on.
Bang,
Bang,
bang.
Pop, let me pop up the
Bang, bang.
Pop them
Bang,
off,
bang.
honey.
Bang.
Pop on. Pop them off.
With
Honey, it's nothing. You wanna fight, honey? It's nothing.
Oh, you pop
wanna
them off,
fight?
honey.
She
With-
say she wanna fight. Hold on, let me swipe my card.
Go
honey.
get it.
Baby, hold
Right,
on.
hold on.
McDonald's laid up.
Food stamp, food
Dollar
stamp.
menu.
Pole.
Pole.
Fish and fish and.
Pole.
Honey, you mad.